Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize VMware Cloud Solutions easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize VMware Cloud Solutions, begin by assessing your current infrastructure. Evaluate your existing workloads and applications. Identify which applications can benefit from cloud optimization. Next, configure the VMware Cloud Foundation on your environment. This provides a unified platform for deploying and managing resources. Ensure that your network configuration is optimized for performance. Adjust network settings to minimize latency and maximize throughput. Implement VMware's NSX for enhanced networking capabilities. This will enable better traffic management and improved security. Next, consider integrating VMware vRealize Suite. This suite offers tools for automation and performance monitoring. Use vRealize operations to gain insights into your resource utilization. Set thresholds and alerts to proactively address performance issues. Next, focus on storage optimization. Utilize VMware vSAN for faster data access and resilience. Implement storage policies that align with your performance needs. Monitor storage usage regularly to avoid bottlenecks. Next, leverage automation to streamline operations. Use VMware vRealize automation to create frameworks for resource provisioning. This can significantly reduce the time spent on manual tasks. Next, ensure that you are using the latest versions of VMware tools. Updates often include performance improvements and new features. Regularly review your architecture for potential upgrades. Consider hybrid cloud options for increased flexibility. This allows you to dynamically allocate resources based on demand. Finally, establish a regular review process. Regular audits of your cloud solutions can identify areas for improvement. Document your findings and continuously adjust your strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.